A smoke. A smoke is a visible suspension of carbon or other particles in air, typically one emitted from a burning substance. Smoke is a collection of airborne particulates and gases emitted when a material undergoes combustion, together with the quantity of air that is entrained or otherwise mixed into the mass. There is a difference between smoke and smog. Here we are talking about smoke, not smog. Smog is a kind of air pollution originally named for the mixture of smoke and fog in the air. Classic smog results from large amounts of coal burning in an area and is caused by a mixture of smoke and sulfur dioxide. This is a smoke, not a smog. We are talking about smoke here, not a smog. Mupondi vatu chanduko ramunganga.
Jesus is here. He is here. He is here. Jesus is here. He is here. He is here. Jesus is here. Jesus is here. He is here. He is here. Jesus is here.